This 2020 Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro E19BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, microwave, spare tire kit, refrigerator, smoke detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, stovetop burner, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro E19BH is 3,088 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.